Hi everyone, it's Adam from Asano Taiko, and I am stoked because once again I get to offer workshops at Asano Taiko U.S. I'll be teaching 2 workshops in November, Monday, November 11th, Tuesday, November 12th, both at 6 p.m. The Monday workshop is Building a Better Solo. Do you find yourself playing the same solos over and over and over and you're not sure how to get out of that rut? Or do you find improvisation interesting but just a little too scary? Or maybe you're someone who's comfortable soloing already, but you're looking for that inspiration, that spark again. Then this workshop is for you. I break down the different aspects of soloing through drill after drill after drill after drill, and it is guaranteed to get your creative juices flowing. I also make sure that this workshop pushes everyone at least a little bit out of their comfort zone, but it is done in a safe environment and it is always a lot of fun. All of the drills in this workshop are presented on beta, the down drum, but there are many drills which are also offered on nanamet for those who want that option. For those who have taken this workshop with me in the past, you know how much fun it is. There's a lot of drills you're familiar with, and there's going to be a lot of new drills as well. And while most of this workshop is done hands-on with all of these drills, there's enough time for discussion about things like how to craft a solo, what makes a good solo, what makes a great solo, and things like that. This is an incredibly fun workshop and it's one of my favorites to teach. And this workshop is good for people who have at least a little bit of experience soloing. The Tuesday workshop is Set Drumming Beyond the Basics. In this workshop, I'll teach you my approach to playing on multiple drums by isolating the different mechanics of the body and doing drill after drill after drill on those. At the end of the workshop, we bring everything together, combining the mechanics into, guess what? More drills. If you've taken a multiple drum workshop with me in the past, some of this material is familiar, but there's a lot of new drills and new approaches. So taking this workshop will help you grow the skills that you've been working on. And I've designed a lot of these drills to be customizable. If you find certain things too difficult, there's an easy version. If you find them too easy, there's a difficult version. And while this workshop is open to everyone, I recommend having at least a little bit of experience hands-on playing multiple drums to take it. If you have questions about pricing, location, required equipment, anything like that, please check out the Asano Taiko U.S. workshop link that I will have below. And if you have workshop-specific questions for me, please reach out at tictactaiko@gmail.com. I'm really hoping to see as many of you there as possible, both new and returning faces. So please sign up before classes fill up, and I'll see you in November.